Modern hearing aids have all kinds of perks. They're almost invisible and designed for all kinds of soundscapes. The American Speech, Language, and Hearing Association recommends consulting an audiologist to find the hearing aid that's right for you. A properly fitted and maintained hearing aid can greatly benefit your hearing ability without causing further damage to the ear. Once you've found the right hearing aid, it's important to keep it in top working order. Paige Holt of Lake ENT's Audiology team explains how they help their patients find the perfect hearing aid and how to care for it.
One thing that we do not like to see is when someone starts to withdraw from social activities. And so when we see a patient who is withdrawing from playing cards, going to lunch with the ladies, then it's definitely time to take a step and look into hearing aids. And so we try to counsel the patient that if you're withdrawing from activities, there's no need for that because we can help you hear better. We can help control the noise, and then you can function in those environments. If we stay more socially active, we're a healthier, happier person. Hearing aids are like cars. They're going to have to be repaired over time. And some of the common factors, most commonly, would be earwax, oil in the skin, building up in the hearing aids. And so we do recommend that you come in for regular routine maintenance on the hearing aids, and that can be every 4 months, every 6 months. It's very dependent upon the patient and their lifestyle. Someone who's out playing golf and perspiring or dancing is going to put a lot more wear and tear on their hearing aids just because they're sweating a little bit more. So some patients we have to see every 2 months so that we can clean their hearing aids and keep them maintained and in good working condition. With any hearing aid, moisture resistant, water resistant, whatever they say, there are parts that are exposed. So there's no hearing aid in the world that is completely waterproof. We do tell you that you don't want to wear your hearing aid when you're showering or swimming or standing in the rain. But if you're playing golf, you're just perspiring slightly, it's okay. We do want to look into those hearing aids that are more moisture resistant for that particular person. And then if you do have a problem with perspiration, then we recommend a drying box. There is a certain drying box that you can store your hearing aid in at night, and it's basically a dehumidifier for your hearing aid, and it really increases the maintenance of your hearing aid, a lot less trouble. A very important part of recommending hearing aids is learning about the lifestyle of the individual. If you are someone who's at home, then you probably don't need one of the more moisture resistant type of hearing aids. But if you're a very active individual, then we definitely need to make a choice that we're going to select a hearing aid that can resist moisture and the problems that we could have more so than others. So we need to learn about the patient, their lifestyle, their body, their ears to help us determine what is the best recommendation for them. The hearing loss is not the only thing that determines what hearing aid we will use.
For more information on this story, as well as links to the audiology specialist at Lake Ear, Nose, Throat, and Facial Plastic Surgery, please click on the Hearing Aid Care story link on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.